Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Heidi. I just wanted to do this unboxing of this Iwatch. Is the first Iwatch I've purchased. This is the series 4, and so yeah, I wanted to unbox it with you guys because it's my first time getting an Iwatch and I'm really excited. I plan on using it for exercising. That's the main reason why I purchased it, and plus I just heard so many good things about it, and so I was very curious to try it. So I'm finally, hopped on the bandwagon of Iwatch. So yeah. So I already took the plastic off, so I'm just going to open the box. And the first thing we see is, like, I don't know if you guys can see, like all these designs of watches, which is really exciting, interesting. And here's one box, and here's this other box, which I assume the band is there. So yeah, let's see. Let's move this to the side over here. Let me open this box. So right off the bat, when I opened it, it looks like this. And it says design. It has like little words here that says designed by Apple in California. And does it have anything in here? It just has like instructions. So I'm assuming this is the charger, and the cable to plug the charger. And this is like the little, so that's about it. Everything that's inside this box. Now let's open this. I picked the pink sand sports band for this watch, and then here it is. It says watch here, and then there's like instructions, and here's the band. It's nice and soft, and we'll see. There's like instructions here which I'm going to read. And so yeah. And I got the watch, I got the gold, I got the 44mm watch because I think that's the best. It's a good deal, and it's a good way of seeing better. So it comes inside like this little thingy majig, and this is how it looks. Very interesting. So this is the head, and this is the back of it. So yeah, this is the back of the watch, and this is the front of the watch, and this is where, like, the sides where the band is gonna fit. and then you just slide the watch in like so. And once I slide it, the little Apple sign got it there and it's on. So now I'm just gonna set the watch, and yeah, that's about it. I'm really excited with this watch and all the things I plan on doing with this watch. So yeah, thank you for watching this unboxing. So you guys saw the unboxing, and I decided to do a quick review on the Apple Watch, or first impressions. And I just want to talk a little bit on the watch because this is the first time purchasing an iWatch for me, and I'm not tech savvy. I am a regular person. I think I know the basics in technology. I know how to get my way around technology, but I'm not, an expert in technology. So I figured this would be helpful for anybody out there to get like just a regular person's point of view, which would be me. But yeah, first I decided to purchase an iWatch because I wanted to work out, use it mainly for workout, because I want to really get in shape and start exercising. Also because I have surveillance camera on my apartment, and the surveillance camera is the software is connected to my phone, and it can also be connected to the iWatch. So I thought that was a phenomenal option for me, because if there's anything motion or audio detected in the camera, it's going to say here on the watch, and I can go to my phone and see what's happening. But I thought that was a really good, really handy for me, especially having a disabled family member living in my house. If I'm out of the house and they're in here and it's showing me that there's some type of movement or audio, I can really use the watch, and it just becomes really handy for that purpose. And also, of course, for working out, it has been really handy. The setup, I set up the watch myself. I did not set it up at the Apple store, and I would have to say that the setup is really simple, self-explanatory. You usually do the most of the setup here on the iPhone, and also that's another reason, is that a lot of the apps that are on your iPhone can go on your iWatch. So that was something that I really liked as well. I really like that you can detect heart rate, it has GPS. All those things become really handy for my lifestyle, like in case of an emergency. So that's one of the perks. And also because it's good for workouts, it's also good for going out swimming, and it's going to track down like how you swim, how much you swim, and everything. So that's why I decided to go with the iWatch instead of the Fitbit, which there's also other options of Fitbit, but it doesn't have all the features that I really wanted. So I decided to spend the extra money and invest in an iWatch for myself, and I love it. I really like it. The only thing that I don't like is the battery life. I wish it would be longer. I think the battery life is only for like 3 days, so I don't like it, but it's not a deal breaker for me. What I've been doing for the past couple of days is just charging it while I'm asleep. That's what I do, and then first thing in the morning I put the watch on. But at night when I'm getting ready to go to sleep, I connect this and just charge it. So yeah. But overall, I'm really happy with this purchase. Really easy to use, really fun, really handy for in case of emergency. I think everybody should own a fitness watch. It doesn't have to be an iWatch, it can be a Fitbit, but just to have a fitness watch, I think it's really handy for emergencies. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, I'm really happy with my iWatch. Did I mention this is the gold and it has like the pink sand color? Really pretty. This is the 44mm as well. It looks kind of big on my wrist, but I don't care. I like the look of it. Yeah, I'm really happy with it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.